What's up guys, let's talk about Bitcoin's dominance and when altcoins might start to skyrocket.
Rich man and I have been a poor man and I choose rich every fucking time. Yeah. And when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. So you listen to me and you listen well. Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good, pick up the phone and start dialing. Is your landlord ready to evict you? Good. Pick up the phone and start dialing. Does your girlfriend think you're a fucking worthless loser? Good. Pick up the phone and start dialing. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Bitcoin dominance currently stands around 58.6%, making the first lower low in this cycle. This signals a shift in market structure, and the next focus should be on whether dominance rebounds to 60.5 to 60.6% range and forms a lower high. If this happens and dominance breaks below 56% to 57% support zone, it could pave the way for a major altcoin rally. This is particularly favorable for high liquidity mainstream altcoins, which may experience significant gains. Although Ethereum has shown relative strength recently, it remains heavily influenced by Bitcoin's movements. For example, after the US stock market opened, Ethereum gains 5 to 6% were dragged down as Bitcoin corrected. This does not represent the Ethereum tsunami we're anticipating. A true Ethereum tsunami would be a sustained and independent market phenomenon last 1 to 2 weeks, with massive capital inflows that exert significant pressure on Bitcoin and other altcoins. For now, we're still waiting for a catalyst. Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin is currently hovering around 0.0325, showing slight signs of a rebound. However, it could still retest a critical 0.03 support level, often considered a hard bottom. If this level holds, it could provide a foundation for a future rally. If Bitcoin breaks the psychological 100,000 threshold in the short term, its dominance could rise about 61%, further suppressing Ethereum's relative valuation. While this might be a short-term disadvantage for Ethereum, it could also represent an attractive entry point for long-term investors. The market is closely watching whether Ethereum can break past the current cycle high of $4,000. Only by surpassing this level can Ethereum establish an independent uptrend and enter a new phase. If achieved, it could attract greater market attention and trigger significant liquidity inflows, marking the true beginning of the Ethereum tsunami. In such a scenario, Ethereum could sustain its strength over a long cycle and become the focal point of the market. The key focus now is whether Bitcoin dominance will decline further, creating more room for altcoins, especially Ethereum, to shine. For Ethereum, breaking through the 4,000 level is essential for entering a new market structure. Early positioning, anticipation of these developments could lead to substantial opportunities in the future. Let's dive into the altcoin that I'm particularly optimistic about, OP. Looking at its weekly chart, the pattern is incredibly clear and easy to interpret. Right now, it's forming a converging triangle, which is often a strong indicator that a breakout could happen at any time. What's even more exciting is the series of higher lows we're seeing on the chart. This is a classic sign of building momentum and strong support at the base. Given this setup, the potential target price of OP is returned to its previous high of $5. If it hits this level, it would mark an impressive 200% gain in this bull market. This is definitely one to watch closely as the market heats up. Bybit Launchpool staked SWELL USDT or MNT to earn a share of 90 million SWELL. Event period November 7th to November 14th. Bybit is excited to announce upcoming listing of Cook on our spot trading platforms. New user exclusive, deposit to earn. Sign up on Bybit and complete identity verification level 1. Accumulate a deposit volume of at least 2,000 Cook or deposit 100 USDT or trade 100 USDT worth of Cook via your first trade using your Bybit account. The first 35,000 new users to complete both steps will receive 400 Cook. Trade to earn. During this period, simply trade at least 500 USDT worth of Cook on spot to earn a share from 6 million Cook prize tool. The more you trade, the larger your share of the price tool. Rewards will be capped at 10,000 cook per user. If you like my video, please subscribe. See you next time.